Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to protect worksheets from editing in Excel. So in this worksheet, I have some cells with an orange color fill. These cells contain formulas and I want to prevent these cells from editing. The ones that are in gray with the blue font are input cells, and I want users to be able to change these cells instead. So to do this, the first step will be to highlight the entire worksheet and press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. When this pops up, you go straight to the Protection tab. What we want to do is to unlock all the cells in this worksheet. The reason we are doing this is by default all Excel cells are locked. So when we unlock, we are now able to expose the formula cells. So I have clicked unlocked and these are my formula cells. They will come with some green flags because ideally all formula cells should be locked. So now that I have unlocked all these cells in the worksheet, I'm now going to zoom in to only the formula cells. If you also want to include some non-formula cells, you can now add these cells for locking. So here I'm only interested in the formula cells, so I'll go to Home and under Find and Select, I'll choose Formulas. Now all formula cells are highlighted. I'll press Ctrl 1 again and I'll come to the same Format Cells dialog box. This time around, I want to lock and hide. What hiding will do is it will prevent users from seeing the formula in the cells when you lock them. So I'll click these two boxes and I'll click OK. So at this point, the formula cells are locked and hidden. The final step will be to go to Review in the ribbon and then locate Protect Sheet. So we click Protect Sheet and this pops up. You have the option of putting in the password. Now, after putting in your password, you can assign certain rights to users after you lock. So by default, users can select locked and unlocked cells. You can add other actions you want them to do even when the worksheet is locked. So I can put in the password here. I'll be asked to repeat. And now I can change these cells, but I cannot change the ones that are in orange. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to your WhatsApp on Mondays and Fridays. Or visit our YouTube channel Excel Hacks for Productivity. Click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.